Hi, my name's Mike, property manager at Zion Red Rock near Zion National Park. I've been doing this for a number of years, and one of the issues that I've ran into at all of the properties is as I walk past our TVs, I see wiring, bird's nest wiring, and it just really drives me crazy. It's not what our properties want to represent. Also, we've had issues where our guests will mess with the wiring behind the TVs. We get calls with TVs not working, and generally it's because somebody switched some things out. I believe I found a solution that will cure both issues.
Here we are at the Red Rock Inn at the mouth of Zion National Park, and they have asked us to come in and help them make their guest rooms look a little bit better with our TV skirts. All right, so the first guest bedroom, we have the door and we have this TV up here, and you can already see there's lots of junk that you can see. It just doesn't look so good. So we're gonna fix that. So I've measured and I've cut the TV skirt, and we're just going to attach it to the wall and the TV, and we'll show you how it looks. And just like that, we have it installed. Just taped it to the TV and to the wall, and it flexes with the TV as you open and close it. Now we did have to go a little bit higher on this one because, as you remember, the plug that you can barely see at the top was way high, but that looks so much better. And we have it on the back side. And again, it flexes as you turn the TV the way they want to view it. So there's room one done. Here's another guest room coming from the bathroom. That doesn't look so good. Let's fix it with the TV skirt. All right, another one installed, and another vast improvement using the TV skirt. All right, so now we're at the chalet at Red Rock. And the first TV we come into, you'll notice it looks really good. This one doesn't need a TV skirt, so let's go on to the next one. So we are in another common room in the chalet. This one has a similar situation, but they've asked us to still put a TV skirt here because guests will come in here and mess with this, and sometimes they have to send people up here to fix what they've messed up. And also, if you look down here, there's a huge mess. So we're gonna be a little innovative with our TV skirt and span it across the bottom there to hide all those ugly cables. Let's see how it works. And that didn't take very long. We just taped a couple of the TV skirts that come in the kit together to expand all the way across, and that looks fantastic. And we've installed the one on the side to prevent access to the side. It wasn't necessary for the aesthetics, but it is functional and will save them money from maintenance from people messing with the TV. And of course, to make it look consistent, we put one on the other side real quick. And this room looks fabulous now. Here's another common area that we're gonna fix. You can see as people walk off to the side here, they see that ugliness, and we're gonna make it beautiful. All right, so this common room TV is done, and you can see how good that looks on this side and how good it looks on this side. Well, that's another one down. They're looking beautiful.
We just completed installing TV skirts at all of our properties, and wow, am I amazed. Not only does it look great, but I'm excited from all of the time that my guys are gonna save from guests undoing the wires from behind the TVs. We spend too much time doing that. Thanks, TV Skirt.